G'day, g'day. We're back. Oh, just gonna pull onto the main straight of the V8 supercar track in Townsville. And when I do that, I'm gonna tell you about my bar bag. Everyone keeps asking me about this thing, so I thought I'd do a little video just to give you a squiz. All right, check it out. This is the main straight. They come out around there and actually around there and as most of you know, I'm in no way professional moto vlogger. I do this shit as a bit of fun, but I found it pretty cool to have easy access to my spam cards, which are hard to get when you got gloves on, but there you go. So this little bar bag is just super handy. So I've had a lot of people comment in the video saying, oh, what's that bar bag, where'd you get that from? And I'm like, oh, send me a message on Instagram and I'll screenshot the photo of it and send it to you. So I'm doing a video wholly and solely on this little fucker, so everyone can get one. Now this one is a little bit different to the first one I was using for ages, but this one's better, and I'm going to show you why. We'll pull up and have a better look.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
Alright, so why is this bar bag better than the other one? Mainly for this front pocket, right? So let me take my gloves off. You have this front pouch, which is pretty big. You can fit a shitload of stuff in there, right? So you got all your spam cards. When you're talking shit to people, go, yeah, check out the channel. So you got to have that. Then the cool part is this. Drop it down. That's my automatic gate opener to get in my house. Plenty of room for activities in here, guys. So all that is stickers inside, a couple of coasters and some more spam cards in there, just in case it gets wet. I've still got some good ones. Couple of pens. This is one of those ones that, yeah, normal pen there. I think if you undo that bit, that's like a window smasher, and then you can undo something else and you got a knife. So I thought that would be pretty handy to leave in there. Another pouch at the back, which I've just got the rain sock for the air cleaner in. But yeah, it folds down, it's all adjustable. I love it. It's way better than the other one. So link is in the description, guys, if you want to get one. They're cheap as chips, so check it out. And if you got any questions, leave them in the comments. But yeah, didn't want to make a real big video about it, but it's molly attachments. You can see on the back there. There you go, that's a better way to do it. I'll just run 2 really big cable ties through there. I find that's the best way to hold it on, but each to their own. There you go, guys, that's it. Enjoy. Not much of a video to like, but you know, thumbs up helps the channel. If you haven't headbutted the shit out of your screen till that little red thing gets pressed in, do that. And I'll catch you later, eh? See ya.